Back to Best Car Fixes. This is Muhammad Harun Idris. Please subscribe, share and like. 2015 Nissan Rogue. The transmission was replaced in this car. Let me open the ignition. The transmission was replaced with the new one, used one, and also they have a transmission control module for the same car. So this one here is coming with the used transmission from the junkyard. To avoid some problems like a Juder code sometime, you can buy the transmission control module and the used one together from the junkyard. You may avoid getting the Juder code if you put this one, the same one, and the same used transmission from the junkyard. But if you don't have it, then you may have to do the programming. But let's go ahead here together. This car is driving perfect, but let's go and see what is the requirement, what's going on. I'm using Console 3 Plus, and now we're gonna see what happened here exactly. Please subscribe, share and like. Let me stop the wiper. Yes. Now I am trying to communicate with the car to see what code we have. Before you do anything, diagnose the car. You see a CVT Juder code is available. And as you know, you cannot erase it. So we already have CVT Juder. The file is the same. Okay. So still this file is the same. Let me go back to the engine computer and see if there is another code there. This car drive perfect, they say. I want to see in the engine if there is any code. And it still says the transmission is drive perfect. So I don't know if the Juder code is already inside the transmission control module. You cannot clear it because the first computer was bad. I don't know, but let's see what we have here on the engine side. Please subscribe, share and like. And if you have any question, feel free to ask. Here, okay, camshaft position, okay. Swirl temple control position, in intake manifold runner position. You see we have some codes here. Erase. Close. I don't have here anything, so I'm gonna go back. You see I clear the one from the engine, is go away. Now we talk about transmission. See what we have. Okay, can I delete this? Can I delete it? No. It's not deletable. So I gotta go to work support. Let me see something here. Read IP characteristic. I want to read it and save it. Start. Yes. Data saved successfully. Now I'm going to end it. Now I'm going to go right IP replacing TCM. This one. I got to come here. I'm going to start. I don't see it here. Let me see what I have here. I don't have nothing here. I want to see where is this software. see I have the software here already. I have this software saved for a long time, and I'm gonna open this one. The one that I saved, I don't know why. Okay, that one maybe you can go back to the screen, or you can go to the service here on the top here. You may get that one, but I already have this one to delete that code. If you save it and you know where you save it, be careful when you touch the brake and you push the brake down, not to, okay, start. No, the car have to be in reverse. Start. Okay, now it's done. Now return this one back, remove your feet, turn the key off. Now 2 seconds, turn the key on. If you don't do that, you cannot, this one will not be highlighted. So I'm gonna turn the key on. Now that piece is highlighted. Click next. Now you're gonna write complete. And let me turn the key off. On again. Now let me see what we have there on the diagnosis. You see it changed to yellow. Now it is erasable. Thank God it's gonna go. We don't have nothing, okay? Now what do we need to do next? We need to do next is what I want to do next is very simple. I want to go to work support. Let me see now what is the difference. Okay. Believe me, it's smoother. Very smooth. Before, when this car come here, you're gonna hear a hit. Nothing now. It's perfect. I like it. So this one here is good. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, share, and like. And I appreciate your support all over the world. From Guinea, New Papua, all the way to Argentina, all the way to Americans, Canadians, Mexico, Africa, Sudan, Middle East, all the world. Thank you for your support. This is Muhammad Harun Idris.